Ragu alla Bolognese or spaghetti bolognese is loved all over the world. However, anytime a bolognese recipe is posted, it always seems to kick off. Everyone seems to have their own version, their own secret ingredient or technique that they swear by. But today we're cutting through the noise, the debates and the myriad of versions to bring you the official version. This isn't just another take on the classic, it is the real deal submitted by the Bologna Chamber of Commerce to the Italian Institute of Cookery. So if you've got a problem with this one, you can go take it up with them. But if you want to cook the recipe, this is exactly how you do it.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
So there we have it, the OG, the original, official, approved ragu alla bolognese recipe. Now, I am looking forward to get stuck into this because it is very different to how I've made bolognese recipes in the past. So let me try it, because I've not tried it with all the pasta, the tagliatelle, that's the official serving method, not with spaghetti. So we'll see what like, and then we can chat. Yeah, it's delicious. It's proof that simplicity works. Because when I first saw this recipe, I was quite surprised that there was no garlic, no additional herbs, and they were even really specific about not using smoked pancetta or bacon. All things that I would typically do, probably like you as well, to cooking to increase the flavour. But this is just a really simplified version, but it just tastes comforting and homely, and to be honest, I don't think I'll be doing bolognese any other way in the future other than this official version, because if you think about it, it's the official version for a reason. It's traditional, it's time honoured, it's been tested and tested and tested again. So there's absolutely no need to throw in additional ingredients when they're not really doing anything to the meal. So I love it. Hopefully you will too. If you drop me a comment below, let me know what you think, and if this is how you've always made bolognese before, then great to hear it. But if you're like me, it's probably a much simplified version, but hopefully you'll enjoy it even more than what you've done before. So let me know what you think. If you want more recipes, as always, click the link below in the description and you can download my recipes app, and hopefully I'll see you back here on the channel soon. See ya.